Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Sycamore School online. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in app.sycamoreschool.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official login interface of Sycamore School. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter the credentials like school ID, username and password. So first of all simply click on the field of school ID. Now what you have to do is enter your school ID over here. Likewise click on the field of username. Now enter your username. Now click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is enter your password over here. You can also select the language if you want. You can see over here right now English is selected. So if you click on it, you'll be able to find other languages as well. So simply click on the language of your choice. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Sycamore School online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.